So this is a solo cross-country trip to Fort Wayne, Indiana, and a Cessna 152, and it's approximately 107 nautical miles, and it will take me around an hour and 20 minutes because the Cessna 152 is slow.
All right, got that, and then radio check for 0 Sierra Quebec.
Monitor.
All right, that's good. All right, so we're on our way to have a little field trip. We're going to be going to Fort Wayne, Indiana. Flaps, trim, RP throttle, elevator speed. All right, normal takeoff. Rotate 50, and then we'll aim for 67 knots. All right. Group of traffic, this is Cessna 260 Sierra Quebec, taking off runway 26, and I'll be doing a left crosswind. Group of traffic. All right, focus on the center line. Full power. Instruments in the green. Speed is alive. Alright, go ahead and make my time. Group of traffic, Cessna 260 Sierra Quebec, making a left crosswind. I'll be heading to the east. Group of traffic. 11. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. They're in a different time zone. Oh shit. I always forget that. There's a small part of Indiana that's in Central Standard Time, and then the rest of Indiana is in Eastern Standard Time, and I always forget that. I always forget that. So, Fourth Flight is saying I'll get there at 11, and I'm like, 11? It's only 9:25, and I'm like, oh yeah, time change.
So this has actually happened to me about 2 to 3 times. So eventually I will remember the time change and I will be able to arrive on time to my destination.
Oh my god, I just said, what the fuck? You piece of shit. I was like, wait, what the hell was that? And the dumbass didn't even call anybody. Did he call out? I got a neighbor right next to me. I don't even know. I didn't hear him call out.
So in this instance, we were both flying an Echo, which started at 700 AGL, so neither one of us were required to call out our location.
Visual traffic down 107, saying I create a parking area to the south of the field.
What? That pilot needs to slow down a little bit.
Which one is I could just do 1-3. I think I'm gonna switch to 1-3. Smithfield traffic, Cessna 260 Sierra Quebec. I am 3 miles out, coming from the southwest, so runway 13, full stop, Smithfield traffic. What? Smithfield traffic, is there anyone about to depart the field?
Smithfield operations, will you need help fueling today?
I will for Sierra Quebec.
Alright, if you would like to just head over to the pumps, I'll meet you out there.
Alright, right there, we'll do Sierra Quebec. I don't give a shit about fuel. I need to know if anybody else is leaving. Oh my god.
So I was surprised when the airport attendant started speaking to me while I was in the air over the radio. But once I watched the video, once I got home, I realized that I think he thought I was asking if there was anyone at the field who could give me fuel, but I was really asking if there was anyone at Smithfield who was leaving the field. So I think there was just like a little miscommunication there. Landed safely in Smithfield, Indiana, on my way to Tim Hortons. They just went. The diner. On a scale of 1 to 10, the Tim Horton donuts were a 7. Unfortunately, I got nothing but leftovers whenever I arrived.
Sky condition, overcast at 2,900. Temperature, 1 Celsius. Dew point, -5 Celsius. Altimeter, 3,034 inches of mercury.
Who's in the traffic for Smithfield? What runway are you using?
I'm using 3-1 currently. It's variable. Left. Final 3-1.
All right, this was a trip. Oh, so I'm using a different headset right now. The first trip.
Smithfield, 8 Delta Charlie, back taxi runway 3-1, Smithfield.
So on my way to Smithfield, I was wearing a Rugged Air headset, and so now I switched and I'm wearing a Spider wireless headset that I purchased off of Amazon. And so I just want to check it out to see how well it works with the comm system in the Cessna 152. And I'll do run up. Let's run up. Good. Air is good. Vacuum is good. Throttle down. Lights on. Testing. I don't know what's going on with this headset. Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Testing 1 2 3. I gotta switch headsets. So it doesn't look like this Spider wireless headset is gonna work out. I had to switch back to the Rugged Air headset before I took off, just to make sure that I had a headset that was gonna be working the entire trip back to the airport.
Testing 1 2 3. All right, testing. I could not hear myself with the other headset. I don't know what happened. So, is there anyone in the traffic pattern at Smithfield? I had to change my headset. Nope. All right. Smithfield, this is Cessna 260 Sierra Quebec. I'm taking off on runway 31. I'll be heading to the west Smithfield traffic. Alright, line up with the runway, full power, instruments in the green, speed is alive,
Hello, traffic, 5681 for Juliet, left base, 27 close.